Hi students, in the last class we have seen what is linked list, what are the operations performed on linked list and the types of linked list. There are three types of linked list: singly linked list, doubly linked list and circular linked list. In the last class we have seen singly linked list, the operations performed on singly linked list. So today let we study about doubly linked list. Doubly linked list is a collection of nodes. Each node has three parts. The first part is the previous pointer, and the second one is the information part, and the third one is the next pointer. So node has information, previous and the next. So information can be given by the users, whatever the data or the elements. Previous and next contains the address of the previous and the address of the next node in the linked list. So let me see next the operations on doubly linked list. There are three operations that can be performed on doubly linked list: insertion, deletion and traversing. In insertions, we can insert a new node at the first, at the last and at a given position. Next, deletion, we can delete a node in a linked list at the first, at the last and at given position. Traversing can be looked up. It's nothing but visiting each node exactly once in a linked list. Next, we'll see the insertion, how we can create a new node and insert in the linked list. Suppose if you want to insert a new node in the linked list, then we have to create a new node which contains three parts: the previous, the information part and the next part. So we'll see the algorithm here. Step 1, begin. Step 2, create a new node. So new node of data is nothing but the value. New node of previous we should indicate by null, and new node of next should be indicated by null. So next, step 3, start equal to new node and exit. So this is how you are going to insert the new node in the linked list. So the step 1, create a link from the new node to first node, or attach new node with first node. Second point, put address of new node into start as shown in the above figure. So we'll see the algorithm for this here. First we should begin. Next we should create a new node. So new node of data is nothing but the value. New node of previous should be indicated by null, and new node of next is indicated by null. PTR equal to start. While PTR of next is not equal to null, then PTR is nothing but PTR of next. Step 4, PTR of next is nothing but new node. New node of previous is nothing but the PTR, then exit. Now we are going to insert at a given position in a linked list here. Suppose if you want to insert a new node at a given position, so first we have to connect new node with A as shown in figure. Next, connect new node with PTR, connect A with new node, connect PTR with new node. So this is how we are going to connect a new node to the given position in a linked list. So we'll see the algorithm here. So begin. Step 2, so if you want to create a new node, so new node of data is nothing but the value. New node of previous is nothing but null. New node of next is nothing but null. So PTR equal to start here. PTR is nothing but the pointer which take the address of the node. So while PTR of next is not equal to choice, then PTR is nothing but PTR of next. So step 4, new node of next is nothing but A. Step 5, new node of previous equal to PTR. Step 6, A of previous equal to new node. Step 7, PTR of next equal to new node, exit. So in the before we have seen that how you are going to insert a node at a beginning, at the last and at the given position. Now we'll see how you are going to delete a node in a linked list. Suppose if the linked list is empty here, it is impossible to delete a node here. Suppose there is a linked list here, then we can delete a node. So if you want to delete a node, there are three operations which can be performed here. First, you can delete a node at the beginning, at the last, and at a given position. So the algorithm here, step 1 begins, step 2, if start equal to null, then print list is empty. It shows that if the start is empty here, there are no nodes in the linked list, then it is impossible to delete the node, that we have to exit. Suppose there are some nodes in the linked list. Suppose in this example we want to delete a node at the first. So first connect start with second node, put null in previous of second node, free up the space occupied by the first node. So the algorithm for this, begin, ptr is nothing but start here, start equal to ptr of next, temp of previous equal to null, then step 5 free that ptr, then exit. So now we'll see deletion at the last node in the linked list. Put null in next part of the second last node, free up the space occupied by the last node. So this is the algorithm here. First step begin, second step ptr is nothing but start here, step 3 while ptr of next not equal to null, then ptr is nothing but the ptr of next, step 4 temp is equal to ptr of previous, step 5 temp of next equal to null, step 6 free that pointer, exit. Now we'll see deleting a node at a given position. So connect A with B and B with A, free up the space occupied by the pointer. The algorithm, step 1 begin, step 2 ptr of next equal to B, step 3 ptr of previous equal to A, step 2 ptr equal to start, step 3 while ptr of next not equal to choice, then ptr will be ptr of next, step 4 b of previous equal to A, step 5 A of next equal to B, free that pointer, then exit. So traversing, as we know, the traversing means visiting each node exactly once in a linked list here. So in this linked list there are 3 nodes here. First we have to visit the first node, then second node, then the third node. So the algorithm for the traversing here, step 1 begin, step 2 if start equal to null, then print list is empty. Suppose the start is null here, then it shows that the linked list is empty here. If the start is not equal to null, then it shows that some of the nodes are in the linked list. Then step 3 else ptr equal to start, then step 4 print ptr, step 4 while ptr of next not equal to null. Suppose the start is not equal to null, then ptr will be ptr of next, then print ptr of that data, then exit. Thank you.